In this video, we will show you how to assemble a Goblin vacuum. Firstly, align the handle pole with the top of the stick vacuum main body and push it until it clicks into place. Insert the floor head into the bottom of the dustbin. Plug the vacuum into an electrical socket and turn the power on. Turn the stick vacuum on by pushing the power on-off switch down. To attach the crevice nozzle or brush nozzle, pull away the floor head and insert your chosen attachment. If you require more assistance, please call 0333 600 7700.